More SEO mistakes. Amazon sellers make 1 to 10. Mistake 1. Not targeting buyer intent keywords. Focusing on general traffic instead of high converting, purchase intent keywords. Mistake 2. No location-based SEO strategy. Missing out on local searches like buy product near me or best niche product in city. Mistake 3. Ignoring YouTube SEO. YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine. Sellers rarely optimize video content or even post it. Mistake 4. Another common mistake is not optimizing product pages for search. It's like just dropping products on their site with no SEO optimized titles, headers, or structured layout. This can really hurt your visibility. Mistake 5. Then there's using thin content on main pages. Often the homepage and product pages have very little copy, which, hurts rankings and engagement. It's important to provide valuable information. Mistake 6. Not using FAQs to capture voice search. People often search by asking questions, and FAQs with schema can snag you those featured snippets. It's a missed opportunity if you don't utilize this strategy. Mistake 7. No multilingual SEO for global reach. If you sell internationally, but only have English content, you're missing global traffic opportunities. Mistake 8. Not using Google Search Console, missing out on free data like click-through rate, impressions, and indexing issues. Mistake 9. Ignoring duplicate content warnings. Using the same copy across Amazon, Etsy and their website can trigger penalties. Mistake 10. Not updating content regularly. Outdated content drops in rankings.